This stool that I received from the VEVOR company to check out arrived really nicely protected and in good shape. We started by taking all the parts out of the box and reading the instructions that they provided. The stool was actually surprisingly easy and quick to put together. It just had a few pieces that had to be connected. Once it was together, we found that the wheels were really smooth and didn't make any sort of noise. The quality of the parts is great, and I really love the soft cushion, which along with the footrest makes it very sturdy and really comfortable to use. It can expand in height, and we found that that works well for a variety of heights and seating arrangements because I'm only 5'4" and my husband, who is seen here, is 6 feet tall. The stool works really well for both of us because it adjusts, and so that gives it a really wide range. I love that it can spin around. It's just plain fun, but also it's versatile for home and professional environments. We're actually using this in a tool workshop at our house and have really loved using it so far. It is a product I would recommend. I have nothing but good things to say about it, and I think you would like it also.